Kenna Tortoise Capital, nightly strategy podcast for March 20th, 2023. This is an abbreviated version. We're traveling. So in the swing trades, we have 5 positions that we took today. Alcoa was a COTA 2 RLXD entry. We're going to hold a standard risk overnight. KRE was a one-day intraday standard entry when it broke and rolled over the RL10, standard risk. Took the one-day gift. Clean energy and marijuana were extremely weak and have been, so we're short on the PSAR break here and holding standard risk overnight. Marijuana was a 2R intraday, closed so poorly on the collapsing dragon that we held that one. And then finally Intel, a long position on a COTA 2 PSAR flip, looking for a tech rebound for the rest of the, for the day tomorrow, and Intel should lead the way. All right, now looking at the traders, Constantine with his old reliable gold US dollar pair. He's got the COTA 2 and a Z3 expansion. He's got the PSAR flip. Could maybe a second position here or here, but that's a great exit. And then after the sideways quiet channel, he gets the breakdown in a COTA 2, lower lows, or lower highs, I should say, and standard work for 9R. Just amazing trading. Arch, I think the stop is too tight here because you're getting ground to pieces. I mean, this is Woj. You're getting ground to pieces in here when the PSAR should have protected you the whole way up. So we're taking full 1R losses in here on a rapidly rising. So we got a mismatch between your standard, like your standard risk is not even outside the dragon. So you're exiting in the noise for full 1R losses. That's not disproving any of the trades. And we got this little piece. That's good. And then this recovery, I like the effort, but we should have stopped and reversed halfway down that stack. Much better work in Tesla based on the normal rules. See, I think your risk box here is better because it's outside the dragon. This is more from Woj. This is this exit. I think you just got snake bit. We should have been out up in here and a re-entry here. And this is really late getting in on that piece. Good play here. I like the scratch. I like the re-entry. COTA 2s here and here all the way up. Got some work to do on Devon. Luke, I'm still not, keep studying your exit rules, but man, the standard exit on this one just sure feels a lot better to me. Not really liking that. That's a great morning hook. PSAR flip. It's on the correct side of the. That's really an owl entry, and I think we're giving back too much. Quick scratches just feels like you were out of gas. You would normally be hitting those. And this is Arch. I like this COTA 2. This could be a stop and reverse and gets paid. When we're that far in the money, we should be protecting that and exiting at the 2-bar low at the edge of the dragon instead of scratching SSC and then COTA 2s all the way up. We should be getting paid on that. In the sniper trade of the day, Microsoft on 3 minutes, big gap down. There's your OR3. Short on the break of the OR3, standard risk box. Get paid about 3R on a normal exit after a R10 reversal and edge of the dragon. I take the continuation COTA 2 trade to the downside. Now notice how the standard risk is on the far side of the dragon and all the way up at the PSAR. That allows me to give it enough reasonable noise. So 1R on the standard exit. I took a one risk box off the bottom of the dragon. So this was a little slow, and I gave back too much. The stop and reverse was reasonable. The stop and reverse again was reasonable, and then just timed out and chopped out. So pretty good stuff on Microsoft. Didn't want to hold that one overnight. All right, what I want to highlight on the abbreviated daily, still sideways normal. Risk Z is warning us about risk off and extreme volatile conditions. Strength in Apple, Procter, and Texas Instruments. Big losses here in marijuana and clean energy. Lots to choose from on the S&P 500 Godzillas. And I want you to note the marijuana in the Godzilla. That's why we're so short on that thing. Being dominated by the winter, not surprising. Got some volatility creeping into our tactical symbol set here. I like the upside volatility in Intel. Apple, Procter & Gamble, Cisco, and Bitcoin for the wins. And diamonds, Europe, and Eurasia looking pretty good on the indexes. Most valuable traders here on the frog list: Tesla, clean energy, marijuana, Devon, Nvidia. That's they all have very high range percentage and strong consistency in the frog quality number. And that's what makes them great targets. All right, that's everything we got. We'll get this published and be ready for them tomorrow.